Hi everyone, my name is Cassie Santiago. Culture to me is the food, clothing, religion, values, communication, traditions, all of those things apply to a specific demographic of people. The best representation of culture for me is that I am a Puerto Rican and Italian woman. I'm different and similar to the perceived cultural norms of those two groups. I don't present as a Puerto Rican woman. I've been actually told multiple times throughout my life that I'm not Puerto Rican, even though I am, just because I present as white and I have red hair. But I was raised very Puerto Rican with a lot of those traditions, very prominent in my life. I look a little bit more Italian, but I was not raised with a lot of very prominent Italian traditions. I feel like I was raised definitely with more of the Puerto Rican traditions, values, religion, all of those things, a lot more prominent than my Italian side. What's interesting about learning about other cultures? I love learning about other cultures. Um, Working in Central Falls this year has really opened my eyes to so many different cultures and so many different values and practices. And I really like learning about them because I think that it really helps you be more aware of where the people that you're talking to and wanting to connect with are coming from. And it really opens your mind to other values and other ways of life that you might not have otherwise been aware of. My hopes and expectations for this class, like I said, I really like learning about culture, so I'm excited to just learn more about that. And I'm also really hoping to learn some strategies and some philosophies that I can use in my practice to best support my students, especially my multi language learners, because since I'm a kindergarten teacher, almost all of my students are multi-language learners because they come to kindergarten with only having spoken Spanish at home. A lot of them don't have preschool experience. So I have a huge population of multi-language learners, and I'm hoping to learn more about how I can support them in my classroom in the best way possible. Thanks.